May-long weekend, the unofficial start to the boating season.
We are a Dryland Marina, definitely at full capacity, putting in a bit of overtime here. End of March, they were pulling boats out of storage already.
The Canadian Safe Boating Council expects more than 16 million people will hit the water across Canada this year.
Considering that the majority of the lakes in Canada are in the provinces of Ontario and Quebec, that's where your main concentration is going to be.
Making safety a top priority.
Crashes, falling off the boat, capsizing, hitting a fixed object, or hitting land or a ground are the leading issues that we see over and over again.
Ontario Provincial Police report 23 marine deaths in Ontario last year. 21 of those deaths involved a capsized watercraft or people falling overboard. 17 were not wearing a life jacket.
Roughly 80 to 85% of the fatalities that we see are from people who aren't wearing the life jacket. And the main reason that they say that they don't wear a life jacket is, hey, I can swim.
This weekend, the water is still very cold, and you can get caught with hypothermia very quickly.
And if you're drinking alcohol, you could face stiff penalties.
If you're drunk or if you're impaired, that's the same consequence of driving a vehicle and being impaired. You will also get your driver's license suspended automatically.
And it goes beyond motorized watercraft. OPP have already reported one death on the water this year involving a kayak. May 18th to 24th is Safe Boating Awareness Week, and the Canadian Safe Boating Council says education is a must, asking boaters to pack life jackets, wear them on personal watercraft, and tell someone ashore where you're going before you hit the water.
Respect the water, don't fear it, but understand that you have a responsibility to protect yourself and those also on your boat.
Tyler Kelleher, CTV News.